Hi everybody, Mike Day here with Day's Concrete Floors. I also own this website, everythingaboutconcrete.com, that has all this information on it right here. In today's video, we're going to talk about how much does a concrete slab cost. And I have 4 different slabs for you that we're going to talk about. Now the first one is a 30 foot by 30 foot garage slab that's 6 inches thick. So what's the basic cost for a 30 by 30 concrete slab that's 6 inches thick? Looks just like this one. Well, the cost for a 6-inch thick concrete slab, like the one you see in the picture, is $5 per square foot. Now that's my cost. That's what I charge as a contractor to go to a customer and install a concrete slab like this. So 30 feet by 30 feet equals 900 square feet. 900 square feet times $5 equals $4,500. So it's going to cost you as a customer right around $4,500 to have a 30 by 30 by 6 inch thick concrete slab installed. Now these prices, I live in Maine, so these prices are for what my costs are for labor and concrete and all that. So yours might be different where you are, but this should give you a pretty good idea. Now what's included in the slab price? Well, in this slab, this 30 by 30, there's 18 yards of concrete, 3,000 psi concrete at about $135 a yard. There was wire mesh reinforcement put in here. There was a double row rebar we put in right around the edges, right around the outside perimeter. So there's 2 rows of rebar in there. The labor to form the slab, get it all ready, and the labor to pour the concrete and give it a nice smooth power trowel finish. And then we sawed 2 expansion joints, one right down the middle each way after we were done troweling. And then we installed anchor bolts. That's what made up the price of this 30 by 30 slab, all these things right here. So what's not included in that price is the groundwork. Now I only specialize in doing concrete work. I don't do excavation. So that was separate. Now in Maine, we have a lot of freeze-thaw cycles. So on a project like this, either I would hire an excavator to come in or the homeowner would. And they would dig out whatever's there, the loam, the clay, whatever kind of soil is there, and put down at least 18 inches, more likely 24 inches of really good gravel, and compact it before we put the concrete slab on it. So where you are, that you might not need so much of a base. You might already have a good gravel base. You might already have even good compacted sand would work good as a base. But where we are, we have real harsh winters, so we need a good gravel base to keep this thing from heaving in the winter. Now, can you just have a 4-inch thick slab instead of a 6-inch thick slab? Well, yeah, you can. 4 inches on a good gravel base is plenty strong enough to hold a regular car or a regular truck, pickup truck. In Maine, our building codes require us to put in 6-inch thick slabs. So the state passed a law that this is the thickness that we got to do, so that's what we do. Years ago, when I did this years ago, I've been doing this for 39 years, we did a lot of just 4-inch slabs. But now we got to do 6. So what are some other things that might add to the price of that? Well, if you want thicker edges, we call this a haunched slab, or some people call it an Alaskan slab, where the edges will be 12 inches thick or 18 inches thick, and then it'll taper up to the 6-inch slab. So that would add to the cost. That could add as much as $1 a square foot, $1.50 a square foot, or even up to $2 a square foot to the total cost of the slab. Another thing might be styrofoam under the slab. A lot of slabs in Maine, we have to put 2 inches of styrofoam under the slab if it's more than 600 square feet. That's another building code requirement. So 2 inches of styrofoam is pretty expensive. it could add up to $1.50 to another $2 per square foot. So if you had to do the thickened edges and you had to do the 2-inch styrofoam, now you're up to about $9 total a square foot for the same slab. So a couple other slabs I put down here. These are real popular slab sizes we do. 30 by 40 concrete slab, just 6 inches thick. Simple basic slab, 30 by 40 is 1,200 square feet. 1,200 square feet times $5 is $6,000 for a 30 by 40 slab. A 20 by 30 slab is 600 square feet. 600 times 5 is $3,000 for a 20 by 30 slab. And probably the most popular one we do is a 24 foot by 24 foot garage slab. That's 576 square feet times $5 equals $2,880 for a basic 2-car garage slab. Well, that's it, guys. There's 4 really popular slab sizes. Now, if you like this video, go down and hit the like button for me. If you want to stay updated on these videos, hit the subscribe button with a little bell notification so you'll know when I put out a new video. And comment down below if you've had a slab done, if you're thinking of having a slab done, and you got any questions about the cost of the slab, or if you had an estimate and you think it's too expensive, you know, put down in the comments what your estimate was and I'll comment back. And thank you again. Bye-bye.